Assalamu alaikum, level 2. This is Miss Wajiha here from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. Level 2, hope you all are doing well. This is your assignment video level 2. I am going to discuss assignment with you so that you can solve your assignment by your good self. So, our first subject is English literature. Question number 1. The following line is extracted from the story The Naughty Puppet. Level 2. This is the reference to the context from the story The Naughty Puppet. You bad boy, I have only just made you and already you are making fun of your poor old father. So you have to write the answer of question number 1 part A and part B. Part A is who spoke this line. You have to write the name of a person who spoke this line. To whom was it spoken? Alright, level 2. Question number 2. Write 4 lines about the importance of namaz. Level 2, we have done this poem Namaz recently. You have to write the importance of namaz and why namaz is important. Why should we perform namaz? You have to write 5 lines about its importance. Write down the central idea of the poem, reduce, reuse and recycle. This is already done. Level 2, we have done it recently. You have to write the central idea of 3 R's. Which 3 R's? Reduce, reuse and recycle. Come toward your next subject is English language. Write any 5 sentences comparing these two places. Flower garden, playground. Here you don't have to write 5 lines about flower garden and 5 lines of playground. No, you don't have to do like this. Instead, you have to compare these two places, flower garden and playground. For example, number 1 sentence would be, in playground, playground is a very large area of a ground. While in flower garden, we have many grasses, different swings and many beautiful flowers. Just like this, you have to make 5 sentences comparing, remember level 2, comparing these two places. Question number 2. Imagine you are going to have your own restaurant. Design an appealing menu card for your customers. Level 2, we have done this in our unit number 9 from our English language learners book, in which we have done a menu card of your restaurant with 2 categories, with many categories of food and drinks. Just like that, you have to make or design a beautiful menu card for your customers. Question number 3. Count and write syllables in the given words. What are the syllables? Syllables are the word part. And English word has level 2, 2, 3 or even more parts. For example, in word education, how many syllables we have? Education. We have 4 syllables in word education. Second example, driveway. In driveway, how many syllables we have? Driveway. We have only 2 syllables. Similarly, in word drive him away, how many syllables we have? Count with me. Drive him away. In the word drive him away, in this line we have 4 syllables. Okay, level 2. So you have to write the syllable of hospital, desert, mountains, dry. Third subject is general science. How can we save electricity? Write any 4 ways. This is from our unit electricity, unit number 11. What are the 4 ways we have done in unit number 11? Question number 2. Why do living things live on Earth? From unit number 12, the solar system. Why do living things live on Earth? Question number 3. Write any 3 differences between Mars and Neptune. What are the differences? For example, Mars is nearer to the Sun while Neptune is farthest to the Sun. The temperature of Mars is greater than the temperature of the Neptune. Okay, you have to write 3 differences between Mars and Neptune. Mathematics. There are 12 liters of water in the bucket at first. There were 3 liters of water in each bottle. Ali poured 3 bottles of water into the bucket. What is the volume of water in the bucket now? Level 2, we have done all the word problem from our unit number 11, capacity and volume, and this is the exactly same question from our word bank that word problem that we have done in our class. Compare the volume of water in each container. We have to compare. Number A. Which container has more volume of water? Number 1 is 6 liter. Number 2 is 5 liter. Number 3 is 8 liter. So which container has more volume? You have to write only the number. Container A, container B and container C. Which container has less volume of water? Container A, B or C? Now level 2. Mrs. Ali and her children visited a farm. The graph shows the number of each type of animal on the farm. Cow, goat, sheep, duck. Each star stands for 5 animals. Level 2, as we have done in our unit number 12, picture graph. This is the same like that. How many cows are there? You have to write how many cows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars and each star stands for 5 animals. So 4 multiplied by 5. How many cows are there? How many sheep are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 5 because each star stands for 5 animals. Okay, level 2. How many more sheep than cows are there? How many fewer goats than cows are there? Name 2 animals that are in same quantity. How many animals are there in the farm altogether? Number last, social studies. Make a web and write the ways of helping people. We have done how can we help people. We can help people by giving them money or by providing them shelter. We have done this activity. Level 2, you have to make a web. Write in a web. Question number 2, write the character sketch of Abdul Sattar Eidhi in 20 to 30 words. Number 3, create a flow chart and explains how the water gets to our taps. Okay, level 2. So question number 1 and question number 3 is from unit number 11, while question number 2 is from unit number 12, helping others. Okay, level 2. You have to write the answer, and if you have any query, level 2, you can ask me anytime, but before 2 p.m. Okay. Now take very good care of yourself. Do the work, do your assignment by your good self. Allah Hafiz.